everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make this cute hanging heart decoration. For this project you will need a cardboard heart cutout like this and a yarn of your choice. I'm using a nice blue jersey yarn today. So to start with, you're going to take your end and double it up like this. We're then going to hold that piece of yarn on our cardboard heart like this, and then through the bottom of the heart and through the loop we're going to pull the yarn. You then want to pull your yarn nice and tight and move the knot to the outer edge of the cardboard whilst holding that first end at the back of the heart. To create the next loop, we're going to pass our yarn over the top of the cardboard heart and then through that loop that you've just created and pull that tight. When pulling everything tight, you want to make sure that you're pushing every piece together on the heart. So now it's time for our next loop, and this time we're going to pass the yarn through the bottom of the heart in the middle and then push it through that loop that we've created again. Then again, pull everything tight, and then we're going to keep on repeating that same process of pulling the yarn through the bottom of the heart, through the loop and pulling tight until we go all the way around the heart back to the start. Every time you are tightening up your yarn, you want to make sure that that knot loop is at the outer edge of your heart all the way around. Now when you get back to the beginning of the heart, you're going to have that first end of yarn that we started off with, and what you're going to do is just wrap it around the heart and then carry on creating our loops over the top of the first bit of yarn to secure it in place. And when you're back in the center of your heart, you want to make sure that last loop is right in the middle of the point at the top of the heart. What you then want to do is cut off the rest of the yarn, leaving a good length for us to turn into a loop so we can hang it up. And there we go, we've all finished with our heart decoration.